Hey, what's up, guys? It's Michael King back again in today's video. So, for today's video, I'm going to be analyzing the charts, showing you all what to expect for this week, this new trading week. And I'm looking at just only three pair: Euro USD, GBPUSD, and XAU USD. So, these are the three pairs I trade. So, I'll be showing you the current structure of these three pairs, and then I can give you an idea of what we could see for this new week. So I know that it's been a while I've uploaded on the channel, so actually I've been studying the markets a lot, trying to work on my strategy, to build my strategy. And I have good news for everyone here, and that's the fact that I'll be doing a series of videos explaining my strategy to everybody. It's going to be like all this teaching, let me put it that way, teaching my strategy. And other good news is that it is absolutely free of charge. I won't be collecting any money. If you read the description of the channel, you realize that I don't offer mentorship. I don't offer mentorship, and I don't sell courses. And my motivation or my reason for doing that is I came from a background where I had to take my time to study the market because I could not afford mentorship. And I know the pain I had to go through, the struggle and everything. So now that I'm able to figure out my edge, I don't see the need to also start promoting courses or selling mentorship. Another reason again is because of the fact that we already have a lot of mentors out there. So I feel you want to learn how to trade Forex through mentorship, you can just go to them and they will mentor you. So by the way, coming back to the charts, this, as you can see on the screen, this is Euro USD. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to analyze it in line with my strategy, showing you what you should expect. So for you to know how I trade, just have to be patient a little bit. By God's grace, this month I'm going to teach you all my strategy. It's going to be a series of videos, and I'm going to start this month. And after a series of videos, you will have the entire knowledge of how I trade the forex market. And during those videos, I will take my time to teach you on other aspects like psychology, risk management, and overall about trading, what you need to do as a forex trader to be profitable. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and hit that like button so that this video can be spread to people out there, because there are some people that really need these informations. They really need these insights for their forex journey. So now this is Euro USD right now, and I'm going to start all the way from this point right here. This is the 1 hour time frame actually. I think I will just start from this point right here because we're looking at the current data. So let me just start from this point right here. So if you look at what price have been doing overall, it is a downtrend. You can see that we have price came all the way down, formed these structures, but we don't just call this higher, lower high and lower low until price have gone higher to take out a previous high. That's how you can see that, okay, fine. Looks like we're having a new structure. So by the way, you're going to understand all what I'm saying right now when I start the training. So price went all the way up right here, and as you can see, we are now inside this range. Let me bring out my lines. We are inside this range, this high and this low, because of the fact that price has taken a high here. So when price taken to the high, we are inside the range. So keep on trading, looking for sell setup, because we're having a downtrend until price, leave the range. So price leave the range right here, and this will become our new high. And this price keeps coming all the way down to this point here, all the way down to this point here, until, as you can see, price went up, taking up this high. So it means this become our low, this become our high. When price took it, as you can see, price traded all the way low to this point right here, and this was our high. This point was our high. Then let me remove this. Okay, so now price now went all the way high to this point right here, then it came down, came all the way down to this point. So this becomes our new high, and this becomes our new low. All right, so So now what I want you people to understand is that looking at this high right here and this low, it signifies that currently we are having a downtrend as at this moment for EURUSD. And you might be wondering, why am I looking at only the 1 hour time frame? Well, the 1 hour time frame is my higher time frame, and the 5 minutes time frame is my entry time frame. There are some other entry styles, but 5 minutes is like one of my main entries, and that is what I'm focusing on when I'm teaching you guys for the forex training. So this is overall is a downtrend for me. If I'm looking at the daily time frame or the monthly time frame, it might be uptrend or it might be downtrend also. But I just look at the 1 hour time frame for pure analysis. I don't look at any other time frame anymore. Only 1 hour time frame. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, we're having a downtrend and price came all the way to this point here. I know that you will have looked at this. Let me zoom. You will have looked at this and you have said that okay, price have broken the high, then it means we have an uptrend. But the answer is no, we don't have an uptrend yet because of the fact that this is just a week, as you can see. Let me zoom it very well. This is just a week. With assuming it was a body that closed above this line, then we'll have said that we're having an uptrend. But since it's a week, it means price is still a downtrend until if this new week we're going to see price break above this high with a full body candle. That's how we say we have an uptrend. So it means if we are having a downtrend, what I'm basically going to be looking for is sell setup. Now inside this range, what I tend to do is this is the high, this is the low. Inside the range, I tend to look for internal structure. And as you can see right here, we are having series of uptrend inside the overall structure. Price went up here, came down, then price went up to this point here, came down, then price went up. But if you look at what is happening currently, you will realize that this was our low that pushed price high. That's the internal structure. So price went higher, then price came down, breaking this low. So it means we now have an internal downtrend. Like I said, you are going to understand fully well when we start the training. So now look at this right now. Now I usually call this my POI, point of interest or area of concentration. You can call it any name that you want, or my focus area or my key area, any names that you want to call it. So this is my area right now, this last candle right here. So what I'm basically looking at currently, moving on, that is Monday or Tuesday, I want to see if price is going to trade high to this area right here, then I'll look for my entry pattern. If I can get my entry pattern right here, then I'll take a sell trade for price to push lower. But if price gets to this area and I cannot see any entry, what I'm going to do is to exercise patience and see what price is going to do. So let's peradventure that when we start the new day, price went up to this point, but now ended up going lower. It means we're now having build up series of lower high and lower low. So that is basically all for EURUSD. So for GBPUSD and gold, I'm not going to really take my time to explain very well my structure because I'm using EURUSD to explain how I mark my structure. So for GBPUSD, I'm just going to go straight to the point so that I don't waste your time. So for GBPUSD right now, if you look at what we are having right here, okay, I'm just going to start from this point here. I think yes, this place is okay. Let me just start from this level right here. You can see that overall it was a downtrend as at this moment, but look at what price did here. Price went up, came down, then price went up inside this high and this low. So as you can see, price entered inside the range, then came down. So this becomes our new high and this becomes our new low as at this point here. So price was moving inside the high and the low until eventually price broke it. As you can see in this point now we had a full body, so it means it's now an uptrend. So when price broke higher, price came down, went up, then price go inside the range that is inside this uptrend. Price traded a little bit inside, then continue the uptrend. So this becomes our low right here, and this becomes our highest point right now. So currently on GBUSD, we're having an uptrend, and something surprising to me because of the fact that GBUSD and EURUSD most times they tend to move alike, but we have some exemptions, some cases whereby EURUSD might be a downtrend and GBUSD can be an uptrend, and that's what we are having currently as of December. We're having a downtrend for EURUSD and we're having an uptrend for GBUSD. So this is the current structure of GBUSD from the 1 hour time frame. My only time frame I look for overall structure. This is my low right here, and this is my low, and this is my high. And as you can see, we have a lot of internal structures. And now look at this low right here. You can see that price came all the way down here, then went up, but price have broken this low point right here. So it means price now is inside the structure. So since price is inside this low and this high, what I'm going to be looking for now is POIs that price can react from. We have one right here. We have a POI right here that price can react from, and we also have one right here. Yes, we have another POI right here. So these are the two POIs I'm likely to be looking for buy setup on GBUSD. But I want people to understand that when price is taking this low and price is trading lower, we might have some internal structures. So right now, price can be making series of downtrend because it's trading lower. But the moment price break the previous high, it means we're having an internal break of structure, which can lead to a series of higher high and higher low to price take up this high here. That's a continuation of the uptrend. So I have POI 1, POI 2, and any possible internal structures. We can have POIs around those internal structures. What I'm saying might not be really clear to you or hearing my analysis, but I will assure you guys that when we start the training, you will understand what I'm actually talking about. It's a good strategy. It has helped me a lot, and it's a reward for my years of commitment to the forex market. Then gold is the last, and I'm looking at gold right now. Going to start all the way from this point. Let's start from this point right here. Let's start from here. So we have this high right here, and then we have this low right here. So what price basically do was price take out this high, trade inside the range till eventually price broke lower. So this becomes our high, and this becomes our price was still trading lower. As you can see, price was still trading lower. Price traded lower up to this point right here. So it means as at this moment, point right here to this point right here, we're having a downtrend until eventually price started trading higher inside the range. But look at what price did currently. You can see that price broke the high, as you can see. So it means currently on gold, similar to GBUSD, we're having an uptrend. So what this simply means is that we have a bearish market for EURUSD, that's a downtrend. Then for GBUSD, we have a bullish market, an uptrend. Therefore, gold, XAUUSD, we have a bullish market also, which is an uptrend. So this is our lowest point right here, and this is our highest point right here. So all what we are seeing here is internal structure inside the range, as you can see. So we have some POIs. We had one here which price we not even reacted to. We also have some POIs here. We have some POI at this point here. Then we also have the last one right here. So these are possible POIs that price can react from, but I'm more concerned about the internal structure. Inside the uptrend, we're having a high low here. Price went up, came down, higher, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down here, then went higher. So price now came down to this point right here, which break this low. So it means our internal structure, we have a high right here, and then we have this low that was broken, as you can see. This low that pushed price higher, it was broken at this point here. So it means inside structure, we're having a bearish market. So however, I'm going to respect the overall structure. So what I'll be waiting patiently for is I want to see price probably end up breaking this high to continue the uptrend. There's some risky things that some people might do when they end up knowing my strategy. You might want to be looking for sell setup because of having an internal sell structure, but I will not agree with that. It's risky because the overall structure is bullish. So I'll wait patiently because I'm a trader that likes to exercise patience when trading. I'll wait patiently for price to break this high right here. Once price break the high, I'll be looking for internal structures, internal POIs that I can trade using my 5-minute entry pattern. So I can take those trades and expect price to push higher. Although I have a fixed risk to reward, and my risk to reward is 1:3. But you can have more than that, but I'm okay with 1:3. So that being said, that is basically all for my analysis on EURUSD, GBPUSD, and XAUSD. So that is basically all. And once again, like I said before, I'm going to be organizing a training. It's completely free of charge. It's going to be here on YouTube. I don't intend to offer mentorship. I don't intend to sell courses. Everything I know and I want to share will be passed here on YouTube. So I'm about to embark on a journey when it comes to teaching a lot of traders out there how to properly trade the forex market. So join me by subscribing to the channel so that you follow me in the journey. And I don't wish to be the only one to succeed in the forex market, but I want everyone who can hear my voice to be a successful forex trader. The road is usually rough, but what I want you all to understand is that commitment, dedication, and willingness to learn will definitely make you a profitable trader. So that's all from me, and see you in the next video. Peace. And lastly, don't forget, be profitable.